1. What is demography? Demography is the statistical study of human population. 2. Mention a vital event occurring in the human population. Birth is a vital event. 3. Mention a method of obtaining vital statistics. Civil registration method. 4. Write the formula for estimating the population between two census years. P equals P0 plus NA times T. 5. Mention a use of vital statistics. It helps in population planning. 6. Define fertility. Fertility refers to the actual reproductive performance of women. 7. Define fecundity. Fecundity is the biological capacity to produce children. 8. Mention a measure of fertility. Crude birth rate. 9. Define crude birth rate. It is the number of live births per 1,000 population in a year. Write the formula of crude birth rate. CBR is the number of live births divided by the mid-year population multiplied by 1,000. A merit of crude birth rate is that it is simple to calculate. A demerit is that it does not consider age-sex composition. The general fertility rate is the number of live births per 1,000 women of childbearing age, and childbearing age is generally considered 15 to 49 years. The formula for general fertility rate is the number of live births divided by the women aged 15 to 49 multiplied by 1,000. A merit is that it is more accurate than the crude birth rate. A demerit is that it ignores age-wise fertility differences. Define age-specific fertility rate. It is the fertility rate of women in a specific age group. 19. Write the formula of age-specific fertility rate. ASFR equals births to women of a specific age group, women of that age group, times 1,000. 20. Mention a merit of age-specific fertility rate. It gives detailed fertility pattern. 21. Mention a demerit of age-specific fertility rate. It is difficult to calculate. 22. What is total fertility rate? It is the average number of children a woman would bear in her lifetime. 23. Mention a merit of total fertility rate. It is independent of age structure. 24. Mention a demerit of total fertility rate. It requires detailed data. 25. Mention a measure of reproduction rate. Define gross reproduction rate. It is the average number of daughters born to a woman during her lifetime. If GRR is 1,300, then find number of female births to a woman. 1.3 female births. Define net reproduction rate. It is the average number of daughters a woman would bear after allowing for mortality. If GRR is greater than 1 and NRR is less than 1, what is the conclusion? Population is declining. If NRR per woman is less than 1, what does it indicate? Population is decreasing. If NRR per woman is 1, what does it indicate? Population is stationary. If NRR per woman is more than 1, what does it indicate? Population is increasing. Define mortality. Mortality refers to death in a population. Mention a measure of mortality. Crude death rate. 35. Define crude death rate. It is the number of deaths per 1,000 population in a year. 36. Write the formula of crude death rate. CDR equals number of deaths mid-year population times 1,000. 37. Mention a merit of crude death rate. It is easy to calculate. 38. Mention a demerit of crude death rate. It ignores age composition. 39. Define age-specific death rate. Death rate of a specific age group. 40. Write the formula of age-specific death rate. ASDR equals deaths in age group, population of that age group, times 1,000. 41. Write a merit of age-specific death rate. It gives accurate age-wise mortality. 42. Write a demerit of age-specific death rate. It requires detailed data. Define standardized death rate. Death rate adjusted for age differences. Which death rate is used to compare health condition of two populations? Standardized death rate. Write a merit of standardized death rate. It allows fair comparison. Write a demerit of standardized death rate. It is complex to compute. Define infant mortality rate. Deaths of infants below 1 year per 1,000 live births. Write the formula of infant mortality rate. IMR equals infant deaths live births times 1,000. Define neonatal mortality rate. Deaths of infants within the first 28 days of birth. Write the formula of neonatal mortality rate. NMR equals neonatal deaths live births times 1,000. Define maternal mortality rate. Deaths of women due to pregnancy or childbirth. Write the formula of maternal mortality rate. MMR equals maternal deaths divided by live births times 1,000. Define life table. A table showing mortality and survival pattern of a population. Define cohort. A group of individuals born in the same period. Define radix. The initial number of births in a life table. What is longevity? Length of life of an individual. Mention a use of life table. To study expectation of life. Write the formula of calculating dx in life table. Dx equals Lx minus Lx plus 1. Define mortality ratio. Ratio of deaths to population. Write the formula of mortality ratio. MR equals deaths population. Define survival ratio. Ratio of survivors to original population. Write the formula of survival ratio. SR equals survivors population. Define expectation of life. Average number of years a person is expected to live. Write the formula of expectation of life. E0 equals T0 over L0.